All right, hello everyone. This is the half adder circuit that I'll be implementing in a subcircuit form. As you see that we have A and B as inputs and sum and carry, and the sum function is an exclusive OR function, while the carry function is an AND function. As you see, A and B inputs are only one when both A and B are one. So what I'll do it in the logic works here. I'll set up the circuit. We'll go to the gates first, and going to the gates, I'll bring in the exclusive OR gate, and then after that I'm going to bring the AND gate, the 2-input AND gate, and I'll start wiring the circuit. Let me quickly wire the circuit. Once wiring is done, I'll have to bring on the labels. All right, I have to bring in the ports first from the connectors. So I have the input ports. I'll bring in 2 input ports, and then I'll bring in the output port. Right. For the output port, I have to rotate. For rotating, you have to select and then Control plus R. All right. So normally what we do, we bring in the port like this and we start hitting the Control R. It doesn't rotate. So select and then rotate. Select and rotate. All right, so that's how you will do it. Let me quickly fix this. So once this is done, I'll bring in the labels and I'll label them according to the truth table. It's A, B, S, and C. So I'll call sum and C. So once it is done, I'll go to the file, and from the file, I'll save this circuit as, and I'll name it something. I'm calling it as a half adder. Go to new, and then the device symbol. So if you see left towards left, there's nothing inside, nothing on the left area. Now if we go to options and we go to the subcircuit and part type, from here you can select the second option where it says that create a subcircuit from the parts which are open already. So I'll select it, and then it gives me the open circuit, which is half adder, which we just saved. I'll select it and I'll say OK, and watch towards left now. Once I say save, towards left you see those pins. They are here. They're just showing you that your part is in the open space. We just have to assign a symbol to this part. All right, so let's go to the creation of symbols in the options menu. All right, auto create symbol, and then as you see towards left there is A and B and the name of the part, and towards right there is sum and C. For part name I'll change, and just for an example I'll put the sum on the top area and the carry on the bottom, and then I'll generate a symbol. Once it's done, I'll save it in a new library. So I'll go to file and save as a new library. I'll call it as a Faraz library, for example, and then after saving it, I'll open a new circuit and you will be able to see. So I'll call it new library. Okay, the name of the part. Here I'll name it and save it, and then I'll open a new circuit, and this library with its part will already start appearing. Later on I can use this as a regular part. So go to the new circuit, look in the drop down menu of the libraries, and you have the Faraz library here with half adder as a part, which you can store directly. If you double click it, you will be able to see what's inside the part. All right, thank you very much. I hope this will help. This is a complete half adder circuit which you can use later on.